This is Ian of Inside Moto at nire-ride ulit natin ang new Suzuki Raider Blade 150. This is the Blade Edition. Bot ng clutch ng Suzuki Raider. Yeah, kaya ng isang finger. Ganun. Ito nyo yan, nag-downshift ako. Hindi siya nag-skid kasi nga merong slipper clutch. Oh, power! One of the things I like about the new Suzuki Raider Blade and the Raider Pro is yung bagong Suzuki clutch assist system, or also known as the slipper clutch. How does it work? Na-experience nyo na ba while downshifting, yung biglang downshift ninyo, let's say sa traffic light kayo, biglang nag-stop or biglang nag-brand or nasa harapan nyo, you had to brake and then you have to downshift, or accidentally na pindot ninyo yung or naapakan ninyo yung downshift. Di ba naglalak yung rear tire? Pag nag-lock yung rear tire, mag-skid ka or madulas ka, possible na ma-accident ka kung nagulat ka sa ganun. Why does it happen? It happens kasi pagka nag-downshift ka, mabagal yung engine ninyo, kakaroon ng tinatawag na engine brake, abrupt yung pag-downshift ninyo. Hindi kasi na-match nung speed ng engine ninyo yung speed ng rear tire nyo. Ang tendency, maglalak yung rear tire. So, ayun, kaya siya possible na mag-skid, mag-slide. The Suzuki clutch assist system or the slipper clutch, which is normally yung mga ganitong system available to sa mga performance-driven bikes or big bikes, for example, but it's now available sa Raider, which is a 150cc underbone. Kaya gusto ko siya kasi this system, yung slipper clutch, it prevents yung paglalak ng rear tire. How does it work? Medyo technical siya, no? Once na nag-downshift kayo and hindi nga match yung speed ng engine and the rear tire, iba tendency maglalak. May parang certain threshold yon na pag na-reach na yung threshold na yon, yung clutch system niya, parang i-release niya ng konti yung kapit para hindi mag-lock yung rear tire. So, ganun nag-work yung slipper clutch. Kaya nga siya slipper eh. Hopefully, naintindihan nyo kung paano nag-work yung slipper clutch. No? I'm not sure if na-explain ko na mas maayos. Pero, yun. I-google nyo na lang. See that? Kuha natin yung slipper clutch. Downshift. Boom! Diba? Dupit. Oh, banking. Charot lang. Galing ng slipper clutch. Oh, ayan pa oh. Make the sound. Very Suzuki.